What the? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the goddamn channel. First of all, I don't know why you guys are always either in the fridge, in the microwave, in the cabinets. I have no clue. But I'm glad you guys are here. You're in the microwave though. You know why? Because it's about to be cooking, baby. I think I got some carbon fiber. Let me update you guys on what we got. I know we talked about the mirrors the other day. Come on, get out the oven. Let's go.
So many nights I grabbed my own chest. It's all my own chest. Said it's all in my head. It's all in my head, it's all in my head, it's all in my head. You know what you said, you know what you said, know what you said. Sitting, tell me how you feel, cause you got my heart and I feel like I need you. Can we pick a day to chill?
Okay, there we go. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy. You are now watching I Say Josh. And guys, anyways, I want to talk about some important things that means a lot to me. We got a few boxes here. All right, we got this. It is super light. It has my name on it, and it says Extreme Online Store. Without showing too much. Extreme Online Store. Please handle with care. Fragile. I think that's the carbon fiber. Also, I got some things to tell you guys. We got Amazon Prime here. Let me find somewhere to set the camera down for one. Okay, boom. So, quick little story time. Where's the keys? I've owned a Camaro since 2018, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Alright, so about 4 years. My baby's about 4 years old, right? 18 to 19, 19 to 20, 21 to 22. Is that the... I don't know. I suck at math. I'm just going to leave that alone. But my keys are falling apart. Alright? As you guys can see, this happened the other day. I am missing my emergency and my trunk. I called Chevy. Alright, I called Chevy. Ding ding. Ding ding. Hey, my keys are messed up. I need new keys. They're worn and torn from the in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out of my pocket. I'm just talking about in and out of my pocket, you dirty fools. Alright? And it's been getting messed up. So, I made sure I ordered a handy dandy cover. And the reason is, guys, a new keys is almost $600 from Chevy. They don't even want the skin. They literally just told me to get some new keys. So, you know, got my Army Crocodile Dundee knife here. We are going to insert. And then we're going to cut away. You don't want to cut yourself, right? You want to cut away. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this bad boy up. And we are going to open our Amazon Prime, alright, Prime package here. And we're going to... They gave me two. I got a red and I got a black. They gave me two. White Zl1, black inserts with red, or I'm sorry, black Alcantara, however you want to pronounce it, okay? And then I got some red covers. Okay, so what you think? We're gonna go black or red? Let me know in the comments below. I'm already picking a color before you guys see this video, but I want to know, what do you guys prescribe, baby? What you think? You want the red or the black? Of course, I'm gonna go red. Your boy's a little flashy. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with the red real quick. I'm weird. I like to smell stuff. That's my sensory kind of thing. I'm a smeller. Okay, I'm a smeller.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so what we're going to do here is I am going to take off. First of all, this cover still shouldn't be on here. I still have zip ties. Oh, this is too close to my hand. Bro, my knife dull as hell. Got it. It's off. Because I'm in the Army. I know how to cut. Duh. They taught me stuff. They freaking taught me stuff. I'm a combat medic. Come on. Is it just me? Who else has a hard time taking these off? Take that red sleeve. See the Chevy. The hole is in here. So let's go ahead and let's slide her in. Oh crap, the hole, see? This whole thing is coming off, guys. Well, hello. Well, hello. Well, new Papi Mino, Monino Papi, come on, baby. Got that Chevy sign. We got the emblem. We got the keys in there. That just 13 bucks, 11, 13 bucks saved me cash. Come on, man. Come on. I'm sorry. Smell it. It smells so good. Oh, I should call her. I really should call her on that one. Just beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and boy, girl, we in there like swimwear, baby. We in there like swimwear. That is on. Now let's go ahead and jump to the box. We got the box. Cut away. Cut away. Cut away. Ooh. Cut away. Ooh. Cut away. Ooh. It is here. Bro, this is the lightest, the realest, oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God. Now this is real carbon fiber. That is Zl1 carbon fiber, baby. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. We got some 3M. We got some surface cleaner. Automotive surface cleaner. I'm not gonna throw it. I'm not gonna throw it. But this is what I'm talking about. This is awesome. Alright guys, I need to find my heat gun. Alright, so I got my heat gun. Time to heat up the old ones, get that 3M tape off, and then we can pull this off. I'm excited to see what it looks like after 2 years of being on there. Alright, we're gonna put that baby on high. I got Moses with me. Let's go. And matter of fact, we could cue the music on this.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got in the bush and I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas
it's so hard to take off right now, it's melting.
Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear some more rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. Are you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, oh. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you rappers just better get used to me, ho. Nigga, I must have blew on my G's, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm about to trip, and maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the Smiths, throw me a fit, wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody ever show me love when I was coming up, I had a double up. Ready niggas making love before they ride. They don't really want it, I hit them with. So my mama ain't want me, she got in the bush and I end up surviving this. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this. Don't know how much to cry for this.
Wow. Now look at that, after
you know murder's my hobby inside of my
how many years that thing is dirty. It's gonna be that. I'm trying to wipe it down. You guys can see it's a lot more cleaner. But we still got some adhesive around there to change. And then we got the carbon fiber panel that would go on like so. Oh, I thought it fully went around, so it's doing the same length as the old one, but I'll make sure I put some adhesive in those touch points. Alright, it is on, and look at that carbon fiber. Yes sir. Again, we had the fake carbon to the new carbon, right? You can tell the difference. That is fake. That is real. Real nice. We're switching sides.
For your kids.
Off this old one.
I lost too many friends.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't do good with kids. What you know about riding dirty
music
in the evening? What you know about ramen noodles in a pack of Sasson seasoning? What you know about leaving the oven door open when there's no heat again? And the rent is due and your landlord trying to throw you out on the streets again. I was always dreaming of a building in a fucking Lamborghini. Wanna win, I'm gonna finally get a break. If I didn't get away before, I guarantee that if I
Alright, I got my fingers in there. And this one is way easier than the last one was. Way easier. All I gotta do is again make sure I'm gonna pull off as much residue as I can. Well, boys, we did it. Again, we got that carbon fiber. I'll show you in the sun tomorrow, but it's on there. Carbon fiber is in there. Oh, the black. This is from yesterday install video. The darked out taillights is in there. I'd say the next on the chopping block is going to be this Zl1 sign. We're gonna move that to black carbon. We'll make that black carbon. We'll take off the chrome, and then probably the Chevy sign as well. And then I think we got no chrome on the outside. Yes. Out with the old.
Too much time spent, too many nights that I felt dead. Too many nights I grabbed my own chest. It's all my own chest. Said it's all in my head. It's all in my head, it's all in my head, it's all in my head. You know what you said, you know what you said, know what you said. Zl1, tell me how you feel, cause you got my heart and I feel like I need you.